Ito na yung pangalawa. We're making a vanilla.
Ah, sarap na tapang.
Eclair with ice
Sarap siya,
cream.
di ba?
Sarap. Hindi mo ganun katapang.
This ice cream is
Salted
tama.
caramel.
salted caramel. I don't know the brand. Bassett's. Bassett's.
1860.
A salted caramel pretzel flavor. We'll make affogato coffee. Affogato, so a scoop of ice cream. Affogato.
Avocado.
A-F.
A.
Oh, got him spelling. So how many scoop of ice cream do you want?
Just a one teaspoon.
Nabasag, shit.
Ano mo yan? Narinig, dahil.
Sorry. So, we're done here.
Nasaan yung ano, mama? Ilalagyan niya na lang.
Yan.
So, we're going to use the vanilla.
Yan, vanilla.
Yes. Vanilla eclair.
Eclair mo.
Okay, clear mo. So, you put it inside and then press again. For vanilla eclair, it is a espresso shot. I believe it's espresso.
Ano nangyari mo?
Yeah. Espresso for 40 ml. So you need to press the espresso button.
Walk in the cloud time.
Okay. It's good for a boomerang.
Boomerang mo.
Yung medyo nakalapat.
Wow. Ay, konti lang, ma'am.
Matang konti na lang.
Yeah.
Kasi yung maliit na baso yung pinindot niya.
Yeah.
Hindi mas
Because
matapang-tap.
it's
Required na kasi
designed for 40 ml.
Yeah.
You want to add some water? It's not espresso anymore. It's already Americano. You want?
No, it's not. Maybe later after I taste it.
Okay. So we're enough. We're done. So you can put it here.
Ano hugasan yan? Hindi naman. Hindi na.
Ano, yung kanina, di ba nagpe-press ko ng water? Isang way na yun para ma-wash. Yung,
Kasi
yung nanitirang residue ng coffee. So you can... put it next here. So, you want some biscuit? I have some biscuit.